Andrew, how does cloud computing help to make sure that you have the scalability needed to handle all the data generated for research?
Sure. Yeah, I mean, I really think that scale is rather trivial when it comes to the cloud. To look at it, say it another way, is that compute infrastructure resources are no longer a rate limiting factor when integrating your workflows into the cloud. It's just near real time that we can upscale and downscale, and I think that latter point of downscaling is also really important and overlooked aspect. Um, Most people, when we think of scaling, we think of increasing scale. But a lot of genomics labs, and especially in like diagnostic labs, they have different missions and objectives, but they're all interested in some aspect of research. So a lot of times they do collaborations with large university research institutes or medical centers, and with that, you may go for those studies may be 10,000 patients or 30,000 patients that end up getting sequenced as part of that study. And so what happens when that's done, right? You need to now downscale. And it's obviously ideal if that's a simple few clicks in an environment and a little bit of rearrangement than if you just purchased millions of dollars of data center infrastructure on site.
Andrew, that's a really good point. When people look at it, they think of scalability of going bigger, right? You need to handle that data. But then when you're done handling that data, what do you do with it? Do you leave it up? And having that automation to be scalable and downsize it is a huge cost savings benefit.
Absolutely. And I know you're a big FinOps guy, so that probably lands with you quite well.